Hello everyone and welcome to Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Independent City Primary up against PGA Prep, both from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Javon Keys, and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately, and they'll each have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point, and earlier we had the toss, and PGA Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock, we begin with PGA Prep. Bible knowledge: in which garden did the betrayal of Jesus take place before his crucifixion?
Garden of Gethsemane.
Garden of Gethsemane.
Correct. Independent City. Bible knowledge: what was Judas paid for his betrayal of Jesus?
30 pieces of silver.
Correct. International affairs. It's a visual question for you, PGA. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Canada.
Canada.
That's right. International affairs. A visual question for you, also Independent City. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Germany. Germany.
Correct. Science. PGA. When the human eardrum vibrates, the sound travels to how many small bones in the middle ear?
Three.
Correct. Science. Independent City. What is the collective name for the 3 small bones in the middle ear in humans?
Ossicles.
Correct. Television. A visual question. PGA. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Porky Pig.
Porky Pig.
Correct. Television. A visual question. Independent City. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character. Would you like to try, PGA?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sylvester.
Sylvester's right. PGA, your English language question. Spell criticism.
Criticism. C-R-I-T-I-S-M.
Incorrect. C-R-I-T-I-C-I-S-M. English language for you, Independent City. Spell ridicule.
Ridicule. R-I-D-I-C-U-L-E.
That's correct. Sports. A visual question. PGA. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Kishane Thompson.
Jamaican athlete. That's correct. Sports. A visual question. Independent City. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Johan Blake.
Incorrect. Quincy Wilson, U.S. athlete. PGA, general knowledge. What is the capital of Algeria?
Algiers.
That's right. General knowledge. Independent City. What is the capital of Morocco?
Moroccan.
Incorrect. Rabat. PGA, social studies. In which Jamaican parish is the Rio Grande?
Portland.
Correct. Social studies. Independent City. In which Jamaican parish is the Bullhead Mountain?
Saint Anne.
Incorrect. Clarendon. PGA, music. Which international artiste released the single Anti-Hero?
Taylor Swift.
That's right. Music. Independent City. Which international artist released the single The Way in 2013?
Nicki Minaj.
Incorrect. Ariana Grande. Mathematics. What is the value of, and this is for you, PGA, what is the value of 0.77 multiplied by 10,000?
7,700.
7,700.
Correct. Independent City. Mathematics. What is the value of 2.55 multiplied by 100,000?
255,000.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs. PGA. Who is the Minister of Tourism?
Edmund Bartlett.
Edmund Bartlett.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs Independent City. Who is the Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce?
Dr. Nigel Clark.
Incorrect. The Honorable Aubin Hill. And that's the end of Section 1. The scores are Independent City on 5 and PGA Prep on 11. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.